be showing you guys how to get the seedlings and put them into an egg cart and put soil in with nutrients and all kinds of stuff. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to gently water it and put it in your house. I have a spray bottle that can hold up to at least 750 milliliters of water. You want to have it on a gentle spray like this. Just gently water all of the carrots. So there you go. And if you can see, this one right here is leaning down. So just get the soil, push it up. Let me get this one, help it up. Just trying to help this plant get a nice foundation to keep it up steady. If you guys want, you can water it every other day, like Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. But I prefer watering it every other 2 days. So probably like Monday, Thursday, and then Sunday. As soon as it's done, cover it up. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything. You can see inside, the carrot seedlings are okay. Get the other one and carefully put it on top, and then carefully seal it, and then you're done. And you got nice perfect seedlings, and they'll be ready to transplant in just 3 weeks. Please click the subscribe button and thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.